Start with the greatest name of Allah, who is the most kind and most merciful. Dear students, how are you? MashaAllah. Today's our new topic is a new chapter we are going to be started. The man and his environment. Chapter number 7, which I also highlighted on the top of the board. The chapter number 7, the name of the chapter number 7, which I am asking from your students. Which are the chapter number 7? What's the name of chapter number 7? Man and his environment. So firstly we also we have to learn that what is environment in this chapter. This chapter is already an interesting, but we are going towards as a basic terms. Firstly we have to learn the basic terms, then we will move towards our textbook, our topic. So now beta, man and his environment, the first term environment, that what is environment? I'm asking from the students from that what is the environment. Kindly tell me from any boy side or from any girl side. Ji beta. Yes beta. What is environment? And she said that mahol. Environment means mahol. It's a term. It's a literally term. It's the meaning of the environment word. What's the environment? It's a mahol. Mahol is also known as घर कहें हम उसको, house कहें. Environment is our home, where all the living organisms reside, or where all the organisms live in a particular manner. In any part of the earth where the living organisms live, so it is known as environment. बेटा environment हम कहते हैं माहौल को, पर environment होता क्या है? Environment होता है बेटा the surroundings or conditions in which a person, animal or plant lives or operate is called environment. So first of all बेटा माहौल एक ऐसी चीज है जहां पर कोई इंसान, कोई जानवर या कोई पौधा जैसे दरख्त वगैरह हुए, ये चीज प्लांट्स वगैरह जिस माहौल में हो, जिस माहौल में इंसान हो, जिस माहौल में जानवर हो, तो ये सारे लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म जिस एरिया में रहते हो वो एक चीज प्रोड्यूस करते हैं जिसका नाम होता है एनवायरमेंट. व्हाट? Environment. So now after environment the second term is comes to the ecology. What beta? Ecology. Ecology, the word ecology has been coined from a special name. I write down here the special name, which is Tansley or a Tansley. Tansley, who was a person who coined the name ecology firstly in 1935. 1935 में 1935 में जिस शख्स ने इकोलॉजी वर्ड कॉइन किया, जिसने इकोलॉजी वर्ड हमें बताया, उस शख्स का नाम था टैंसले. व्हाट? टैंसले. व्हाट बेटा? टैंसले. सो द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स कॉल्ड इकोलॉजी. हमारा जो हम जानदार हैं, हम सिर्फ इंसान ही नहीं बल्कि हमारे आसपास में जो जानवर रहते हैं वो जानवर, हम इंसान और पौधे, these are also known as living organisms. So सारे living organisms जिस माहौल में रहते हो, हमारा हम living organisms का उन non living things के साथ भी रिलेशन हो. हम जो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म से हमारा रिलेशन एक नॉन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म से भी हो, तो इस माहौल को हम नाम देते हैं इकोलॉजी. व्हाट बेटा? इकोलॉजी, द स्टडी अबाउट एनवायरनमेंट, द स्टडी अबाउट इकोसिस्टम. सो देयर इज द बेटा टू टाइप्स ऑफ इकोलॉजी. Here I put the two terms which are known as biotic and abiotic. What beta? Biotic and abiotic. Biotic means living organisms. Abiotic means non-living organisms. So now I described the beta. I described the biotic term. It is a type of ecosystem. Relationship between living to living organisms is called biotic factor of ecosystem. And abiotic is known as abiotic. It is a type of ecosystem relationship between non-living organisms with our environment is called abiotic system. So in our environment these two species are living. हमारे माहौल में ये दोनों चीजें रहती हैं. कौन? एक तो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स और दूसरा non-living organisms. So it is the basic information, the basic terms which I described completely. Hope that you will get some information, some basic information from this topic. Inshallah, we will move on next topic on tomorrow. Thank you so much.